Welcome. Hey, it's Sean McMean from Vinnie Restoration Marketing, and today we're going to talk about 5 advantages for getting Google business reviews for your damage and restoration business. Number 1, you get Google business reviews to increase brand trust. In fact, 88% of consumers read reviews to determine whether it's a good business or not, or whether they want to actually do business with them. And a staggering 72%, based on a recent survey that I read, say that positive reviews determine whether they're going to call them or not. Number 2, Google business reviews increase online exposure and local SEO. We all know the Google search algorithm is pretty complex, and that's an understatement, but there's one sure thing that is going to help you have a bigger impact in your local SEO campaign, and that is getting Google business reviews. Number 3, it gives you a feedback loop and a customer intelligence or insights into how your business is doing. It's one of the most important advantages of the Google review is that you're going to get direct feedback, like it or not, of how your business is doing, how your staff is doing, and it's just like sending out a customer survey. But that gets posted online. So you want to make sure you're reading those and actually taking action from that feedback that those customers are giving you. Number 4, Google reviews improve click-through rates for your website. And think about it this way. Any smart business that knows that you want to show up on Google search results, right? And you ultimately want the person that searched for your company to actually click on that website, click on your website and go to your website, and so what's important is that when somebody searches for the services you offer in your area or searches for your brand name, that Google reviews are 5-star rating or 4.9, 4.8 is associated right next to your brand name and the services that you offer. And that will increase the click-through rate of people searching for the terms and actually clicking on your website and visiting your website. Number 5, Google reviews convert more customers. And you can think about it this way. Once they click on your website, you want to show those positive reviews on your website to increase that trust. Think about it when you go out to Amazon. If you've ever shopped online, how many of us have purchased products on Amazon with a 1-star or no stars? You actually purchase products with a star rating, right? And the same thing holds true for your damage restoration business. You want to publicize those positive reviews on your website to ultimately get people to do what? Call you to come out there and fix their problem, right? So those are the 5 advantages of getting Google business reviews. And Google business reviews really impact 3 core areas of your business. Like I said, it impacts brand trust, local SEO, and you receive client feedback and intelligence on how your company is actually doing. So if you're not utilizing Google reviews, you're missing out on these advantages, and I can guarantee you the competitors in your area absolutely are taking advantage of that. Thank you very much for listening, and definitely take advantage of Google business reviews. Have a good day.